Hey guys, it's Pilar, and in this short video, I'm going to show you the 5 ways that I earn free gift cards and free cash every single week. You'll see the exact things that I do, plus the apps that I use. So stay tuned for that if you want to earn free gift cards and extra cash this holiday season. So first things first, if you're excited about this video, definitely hit that like button. And if you just want to support my channel, definitely hit that like button. All right, let's get started. Now, I'm someone that loves to shop, so a lot of these apps are related to shopping. And the reason why I'm able to earn so many free gift cards and free cash is because I'm able to stack my rewards. Now, let's start with the first one. Fetch Rewards. So Fetch Rewards is quickly becoming one of my favorite apps. The way this app works is you simply go and do your regular shopping, your regular in-store and online purchases. You snap a picture of your receipt, whether that's at a grocery store, at a clothing store, at a restaurant, at McDonald's, wherever you shop, whenever you get a receipt, snap a picture. You're going to immediately earn a minimum of 25 points for that receipt. Now, for every 1,000 points, you earn $1 towards a free gift card. Now, as you can see, I've actually earned a few $100s right now in free gift cards just using the Fetch Rewards app and snapping all of my receipts. Now, you'll earn additional points if you take advantage of the special offers. So if you take advantage of some of these special offers in the grocery stores, at the convenience stores, you'll earn additional points. And of course, one of my favorite ways to earn Fetch Rewards points is also by sharing my love for Fetch Rewards with my friends, my family, and people like you. So throughout this video, you'll be able to see my special referral code on the screen. If you use those codes to download these apps, you'll get additional points just to get you started. So number 1 is the Fetch Rewards app. The second app is Ibotta. Now, Ibotta is one that I frequently stack my rewards with Fetch Rewards. So unlike Fetch Rewards, you're not going to earn points with Ibotta. You're going to earn actual cash back money. So that money, you can redeem it for free gift cards, or like me, I actually like to take that money and just transfer it into my PayPal account. So you do have that option as well. Now with Ibotta, before you go to the grocery store, you pretty much want to select the grocery store that you're going to shop at. You want to go through the special offers that are in the Ibotta app and then hit the plus sign next to the offers that you want to take advantage of and save money. Once you finish your grocery shopping, simply take a picture of your grocery receipt, upload it to Ibotta. Ibotta will match your cashback rewards with the items you purchased at that grocery store. So once you hit a minimum of $20 in your account, that's where you can then decide to take out your money and either send it over to your PayPal account, or you can redeem it for a free gift card. Now, as you can see, I've earned thousands of dollars with Ibotta, and right now at the time of this recording, Ibotta is giving away $10 to everyone for snapping your first receipt if you use my code that you see there on your screen. So definitely take advantage of the $10 free to get you started with Ibotta. Third on the list is Rakuten. They are formerly known as Ebates. You may have heard about them. They've been around for over 20 years and they are a very popular deals website. So I just recently signed up for Rakuten, and within the first 2 days of signing up, I made my first $40 cashback rewards. Now, the way this works is they have over 2,500 major retail stores on their website. That means, places like Nordstrom Rack, places like Macy's, Walmart, Nike, Levi's, Disney, and tons of other brand name companies on their website. So if you want to shop at any of your regular stores that you love shopping at, first go to Rakuten, then search for the store that you want to shop at. So in my case, I have a $50 gift card to Nordstrom Rack that I earned on Fetch Rewards. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the Rakuten website, or you can download the app, do this through the app. I'm going to Nordstrom Rack, and then I'm clicking over to the website. And if you do that, if you go through Rakuten first, you're going to earn cashback rewards on your purchases made at the store that you want to shop at. So it's pretty cool. You can do your regular shopping at the regular stores that you like, but now you're going to earn cashback rewards. So at the end of the year, November, December, Rakuten typically has their best sign up bonus for the year. It only occurs once a year. This this is actually what got me to sign up. They're giving you $40 once you use a promo code. I'll share my promo code down below. You might see it on your screen. Only if you use a promo code, you'll be able to earn $40 cashback rewards, but you have to make a purchase first, okay? Then you'll see the $40 show up in your account. So Rakuten is the third app to earn free gift cards. You can cash out to your PayPal, or you can earn free gift cards with Rakuten. So this is my third favorite new app on this list. Fourth on the list is Receipt Hog. Now, I recently cashed out $40 in free money on Receipt Hog. I could have opted to get the free gift cards, but whenever there is free cash versus free gift cards, I'm definitely going to take the free cash, okay? Here's another heads up. This is not one of my favorite apps, but it does earn me a little bit of money, and so why not share it with you, right? So Receipt Hog is another rewards app, but they reward you in coins for your receipts. So they will accept receipts from any store that sells grocery items, health items, beauty products, liquor stores, and the coins that they assign you depend on how much your receipt is worth. So a receipt total amount of less than $10 will earn you 5 coins. If it's between $10 to $50, you'll earn 10 coins. And if it's between $50 to $100, you're going to earn 15 coins. And if your receipt is over $100, you're going to earn 20 coins. Now, in order to cash out, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 coins. And for 6,500 coins, you're going to earn $40. So I came up with 6,500 coins. I cashed out at $40, but that also took me a little over a year to do. It literally isn't my favorite app, but again, if you just upload your receipts, then in due time, you will earn a free gift card. Last on the list is ShopKicks. Now, ShopKicks is an app I recently signed up for within the last month, and I've already earned $10 towards a free gift card. Now, the way ShopKicks works is they will assign you kicks for doing certain activities. So for example, one of the activities can be going to your local store, such as Walmart, such as Ace Hardware, such as Stop & Shop, Target, and finding certain products that they share with you within the app. Once you find those products in the store, you simply scan the barcode of those products and you earn 20, 30, 40 kicks. Now, a lot of the reason why they do that is because they are helping these brands with brand awareness. So they know that in order to familiarize you with the brand, you need to actually go and see it on the shelf, become familiar with the name brand. And if you see it enough, the hope is that you're going to buy it. So another activity that ShopKick has where they assign you kicks is if you actually purchase some of these products, and that's where you're going to get the most amount of points, the most amount of kicks rather. Other ways where you can get kicks is if you take their surveys. So every so often they also will offer surveys. You can get kicks that way. So as you can see here, with 2,500 kicks, I was given a $10 gift card. Now I want Starbucks because again, I love coffee. So I'm going and getting the Starbucks $10 gift card. Now, if you really want, you could literally just go through the app, go to all the stores in your area and scan the barcodes of all the products that they have in the app, and you can earn tons of free gift cards that way. Those are the 5 free ways that I use to earn free gift cards and earn free cash on a weekly and monthly basis. As you can see, I've earned hundreds of free gift cards and thousands of dollars in free cash by simply stacking the rewards of using all 5 of these apps. You can see these are real apps that I use. So if you need extra money, if you want free gift cards, guys, definitely use the promo code underneath this video. Hey, please do me a quick favor. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.